guys. In this video, we will learn the relationships between arcs and chords. So I know two chords in a circle are congruent. Remember chords, this is a chord that goes that's a straight line from here to here. This is also a chord from here to here, also a chord from here to here. So two chords in a circle are congruent if and only if their corresponding arcs are congruent. The arcs, this is an arc, this is an arc, this is an arc, okay? So their corresponding arcs are congruent. So let's say that here we have this chord. This chord is the straight line right there. The corresponding arc, that's this one right here. Okay, this one, the chord, that's the chord, the corresponding arc right there. Okay, so how are we going to find the length of line segment VW? Line segment VW, that's this guy right here, line segment VW. That's the line segment. The corresponding chord is the chord or the arc VW. Arc UX is congruent to arc VW. So that's good news, right? Because the two chords in a circle are congruent if the arcs are congruent. Okay? So I can tell that these two arcs are congruent because it's telling me the arcs are congruent. If the arcs are congruent, the chords are congruent. So I know if this is 10, this will also be 10. So I know line segment VW is congruent to line segment UX because their corresponding arcs are also congruent. So if UX is 10, line segment VW is also 10. With the same idea, we're going to find the measure of arc FG. So arc FG is right here. So the line segment FG, line segment EH, they're congruent. So if the chords are congruent, their corresponding arcs are also congruent. If the arc, the measure of EH, the measure of arc EH is congruent to measure of arc FG. And I know the measure of arc EH is 78. Therefore, they're congruent because their chords, their corresponding chords are congruent. And that's all there is to it.